Rancher Gary Dossinger has lived in Gladstone, North Dakota for more than 60 years.
I basically raise horses. I have some cattle.
But in April of 2017, his life changed when the Stark County Sheriff's deputies came onto his land and conducted an investigation into animal neglect and cruelty accusations against him.
It seemed like there was like 20 of them. I mean, it was like, whoa, what's happening?
And they were all here kind of without your permission? Without notifying you?
Right, yeah.
The investigators took pictures of Dossinger's property and animals and walked into his pens and pastures that were fenced off.
I felt violated.
During the investigation, Mr. Dossinger surprisingly found out that his Fourth Amendment rights only extended to his house and didn't extend to the rest of his property, which is about 1,000 acres.
Attorney said, yeah, there's open field law, and I'm like, what's that?
That means that law enforcement can search your land without probable cause, without a search warrant.
And Murtha says the law is concerning to many people.
If you tell most people that, they become concerned. You mean law enforcement can just go through my stuff?
The Stark County State's attorney says someone shouldn't expect their right to privacy to extend to their open fields because they are in plain view.
Freedom is not here anymore.
After more than a year in court, Dossinger pled guilty to 6 counts of misdemeanor animal neglect this past July.
Well, all my retirement money is gone.
He might have lost the battle, but Representative Luke Simons of District 36 thinks the war can still be won.
And it floored me. I assumed that you needed a search warrant in North Dakota on any private land.
On Monday, Simons will be presenting a bill that will extend someone's Fourth Amendment rights to their open fields.
No one that does an unlawful search or seizure on agricultural land, that evidence cannot be used against you in the court of law.
Simons, who is a rancher in New Raddick, says he already has 7 co-signers on the bill.
Every legislator I've talked to about it was just appalled that this is not the case already.
And Dossinger says he will be endorsing Simons' bill and is willing to travel to Bismarck to tell his story. Steve Kirch, KX News.